Israel will begin allowing entry to all tourists regardless of whether they have been vaccinated against COVID-19 from March 1st. A statement from the Prime Minister's office on Sunday said that entry into Israel will still require 2 PCR tests, one before flying in and one upon landing in Israel. Currently, only COVID-19 vaccinated foreigners are allowed into Israel. Prime Minister Naftali Bennett said, "We are seeing a consistent decline in morbidity numbers. So this is the time to gradually open up what we were the first in the world to close." Israel first shut its borders to foreigners in March 2020. The number of visitors has slowly risen as the country lifted some restrictions, but they remain well below pre-pandemic levels. Bennett said, "At the same time, we will keep a finger on the pulse, and in case of a new variant, we will react quickly."